So today we're doing a very special hike. We're here with a group of people and we're heading up into the mountains just in front of us. Looking very forward to it. But getting a bit overcast and potentially a little bit of rain on the horizon. Hopefully not, but really excited and looking forward to a trip up. So I'm walking backwards because I've got to catch up on the group and pretty much everybody's masked up. We've got to keep this the mask protocol going. I think we've got about a 4-hour trip to go up into the mountains, and well, wish us luck. I got to turn around and run. So. I was so surprised that when we turned up, who else do we find but Doris from Brenta Fitness.
Here we are, walking around.
So can we expect any yoga today? Any?
No, just some stretching at the end of the
walk,
tour. Yeah. Yes.
And I believe that we're gonna. There's hidden in the hills. There's red and white wine waiting for us.
Hopefully.
Well, let's keep on the walk. We'll see you on the journey, folks. So we're continuing our walk up into the hills here, and oh look, a couple of balls. So behind me, way over there in the distance, you can see Venice, you can see Padua, and on a clear day, of course. So we're now in amongst some trees, this amazing little path as we troop our way up into the hills. So the painter has picked up a walnut. We never really take a walnut for granted because we just think, oh, it's a walnut. But apparently, look at this, isn't that beautiful? That's what a walnut comes in. And when you scratch the surface, it gives off a really incredible fragrance. Isn't that amazing? Who would have thought that a walnut would do all of that? So it's a big group, as you can see behind me, and we have many kilometers to cover. And this is our first little stop. Continue our journey uphill, and apparently we're coming up to about a 100-meter 90-degree climb very shortly, so this is going to be interesting. Lined up to get up. Look, there's the painter in there, there's the Geordie man, all there. Well, I've got to say, certainly burning some calories today, that's for sure. Been an absolutely incredible walk so far. That's just been over 3 hours now. Yeah, we've really covered some kilometers today and certainly covered some parts of the mountain and hills. Heading back towards base, so I think we've probably covered about 8 or 9 miles in that. Absolutely brilliant and exhausting. So about 3.5 hours. So we have been up there. Unbelievable, amazing, mad. So we're back to our starting point after many hours, and wow, it's been a fantastic, absolutely fantastic hike today, and yeah, I'm knackered, my legs are done. So everybody, you got to remember that when you want to hike in the Veneto, in and around the Bassano region and beyond, you got to contact Doris.
Bassano Sport Natura.
And what about Brenta Fitness? Is that
And
part
Brenta
of-
Fitness is me that I work out.
Right.
It's my fitness group. But for hiking and walking, Bassano Sport Natura.
Fantastic. And also they can find you as Doris Solido.
Soldo,
Soldo.
or Bassano Sport Natura is the site where
Okay,
you
so
can.
Facebook, check it out, get online with Doris and get hiking, folks. It's worth it.
Bassano Sport Natura ogni volta è un'avventura.